So hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the High Empress D. On this channel I will be posting divine masculine, divine feminine readings, karmic readings, monthly readings, year readings, and on my other channel, the Infinite Lovers, I will be posting zodiac signs readings. So go check that out. So what's the overall energies? Strength. Chemistry. What I'm getting here is someone is seeing how strong the connection is between you guys, because you guys are still, it's like every day the connection is stronger, and they look to the past and see how far you guys came with each other, or come with each other, achieve together. And you are still here, or you guys are still together. So let's see. A never-ending story. Yeah, they see now that how strong this connection is, and it will never, like, there is, it can feel sometimes that you guys are going to fall apart, but then you guys reconnect, and every time you guys reconnect, the bond is stronger. Huh? See. So I'm getting here that with these cards, for some of you, yeah, you need to do some cleanse rituals, maybe together as well for the connection. But I'm also getting, there is something that your person wants to come clean about. That's what I'm getting with that card. So let's see what's going on here. Yeah, I was feeling that this sexual energy. Maybe that is the thing that they want to come clean about. Something with the sexuality. For some of you, the secret they have is they want to have a family with you, or like moving in together. And for others of you, the thing that you are not see coming, is that you guys will move in together, because I'm feeling at the moment where you guys at, you don't see that that is a possibility, but then things are going to shift, and you guys can have this opportunity, and your person will tell you about this, that they want to do this with you. Some of you, your name is Janine or what? Janielle, Janine. I'm hearing that. I'm hearing Nina and Janielle. I don't know, but yeah. Beth, how does this about? This is I don't know if you guys, because some of you guys didn't had like, yeah, you guys didn't have sex with each other for a long time. For others of you, okay, why am I getting that? Okay, so for some of you, they want to do something new, and I'm feeling, for some of you, maybe it can be like a trio or something like that. For others of you, they want to tell you like a fetish. They have a fetish, so they want to tell you about that, and they want to do it with you. So that's why they are going to come clean about that. But it's something that you are not expecting. I'm hearing is the weirdest shit. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Maybe you have that feeling that your person have some type of fetish. For others of you, someone is going to back for it though, because I'm feeling someone, they didn't have this for a long time. There is something that changed, or that is changing for your person. That's why they are going to come clean about something, or want to try something new, or the energy will just be different. You will feel that more invested, maybe, can be. Maybe no, yeah, because in the past, maybe you guys experience a lot of people that didn't please you. They wanted to be pleased. So that is going to be different in this connection. They will nurture, give you like you need to feel good or enjoy it too. That's also what I'm getting. This is a very complicated energy, because I do feel the sexual energy, but there is something that your person finds very complicated or just weird to tell you about. of Cups. 5 of Swords in the reverse. And for some of you, it's just simple. They are going to express their emotions, how they truly feel, and it can be during intercourse. When you guys are doing it, they will like tell you something that it's a surprise for you, hearing it coming out of your person's mouth. It can be that they are going to no, don't say that. Okay, some of you let me find out what this is about, because this is like let me use this one, because I'm getting different energies, so, and I don't know which one to tell you, because it's very complicated. I keep feeling that. So someone having issues telling the truth. For some of you, it can be that they want to bring their lover, and that's what they are going to tell you, like trio, like you and somebody else. I do feel for some of you, you or your person have someone, and it can be that your person knows that you have someone else, or you know that your person had someone else, and now they want to have some type of trio here. I don't know, that's what I'm getting. For others of you, they will ask you to have sex with them on like a very surprise place, like you don't know, you can't imagine. So when they bring it up, you will be like, what? Where do you want? It's like you, because that's what they're showing me. You will be surprised that your person wants to do it there. Ugh. Nine of Cups. For some of you, maybe you live by the water, or like a forest. Look, that's the fetish thing that I'm feeling, guys. This shit over here. It's like they are with your hair or something, with hair. It can be that they have that fetish, something with hair. They want to have a piece of your hair to walk around with it in their pocket. I don't know, guys. I don't know, but it's something that you are not expecting. Some of you guys live by like a waterfall as well. Four of Wands. I'm here under the moonlight. So it can be that they want to, maybe they went somewhere and they saw, because I'm seeing a waterfall or like a water, but I'm seeing the moon, like the moonlight on shining on like a place in the forest. So it can be that they want to take you there, but it's like deep. It's too deep in the forest, so you will be like, why you want to take me there? So take it how it resonates, guys. Or like an abandoned home or house in the woods. Did I say forest all the time? Yeah. Chariot and Five of Swords. So they want to take you there. There's something as well in happening at night with a full moon or a new moon. I want to watch you play with yourself. Your sex is the best. I can't handle you. I'm feeling both. This is both. You can't handle me. I can't handle. Yeah, it's both. It's both. You can't handle them. You feel that you can't handle them, and they feel that they can handle you. Sex with you makes my whole week. Um, Sex with me is so amazing, guys. You guys are like too much confident here. Too much confident. Let's make a movie. When you are going to eat me? When are you going to eat me for breakfast? I am going to take care of you. I love when you take control and dominates me in bed. When I'm on the floor and on my knees, looking up at you. Oh my gosh, guys. I want to have a conversation with my cat. Arch that back. I want to go down low on you. 1, 2, 3, 4 rounds. Are you up for it? So you guys, I'm feeling you and your person are in too much confidence right now. Like you guys want to have a long night. I don't wanna. I don't wanna. I don't wanna get up, guys. So I'm using this one. 2 a.m. So there is something at 2 a.m. as well. So maybe you guys do the freaky deaky things 2 a.m. That's when it starts. There's something with 2 a.m. You guys can listen to that song 2 a.m. Um, Zoo. Is that you? That's how you write it. So go listen to that. And you inspire me to be a better man or woman. I can see it in your eyes that you don't trust me. Fifth dimension. So there is something that is going to manifest here, you guys. Oh my gosh. You guys need to listen to this song because it's a lot.